Yeah, been up here for a while now, trying to find out what's going on. The grandbaby kicking like cats and dogs in the bed. She must have known something going on out here. Let me find it. Yeah, man. Everything black, lights on a little bit. I'll knock a whole tree down. Somebody out riding. It's always people out riding. The fellas that left from over there probably going to check on everybody now. All my flowers about to start floating, stuff about to float. I had to crawl in the mud to get these calls out last night. Then they go check that out. Yeah, I was floating last night. Alright, dog, boy. Swimming pool out here. Boy, I'm about to float. Can't even see the cement back there. Working on a little bit of notes. A little training class coming up. If you in it, then you probably one of the lucky ones. Got travel notes right here for flights I got going out to Vegas for all kind of opportunities. Opportunities in Florida for the next month. Secret notes. What's this? Genius notes. Yeah. If your name in that, you know what it is. Drinking a little bit of red wine. My favorite local supermarket. Yep. There's a lot going on in here now. But just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Add me on Facebook, Lifestyle Consultant. So just reach out, say what's up, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Oh, forgot to say. I don't even know how it looks.